Okay, we have a Graco MX Ultimate MX2 595 PC right here. And we're having some issues building up pressure. I'm gonna give you a good example of what the pump's doing right here. I'm gonna put the prime on, turn it on. Turn the pressure up. There's half pressure. We're getting right out the prime valve. And flipping up. We're gonna go a little lower pressure here, turn it on to let it charge up pressure. Okay, now it's building up pressure. Here's where I'm at. I'm still in the green, right there. Now watch this. As I turn the pressure up, it's struggling to build pressure. All right. So yeah, we're struggling to build pressure. So this could be two things. This could be the prime valve, or this could be the packings, or this could be some scratching on the piston or the piston cylinder. I have purchased myself a new endurance pump. I could redo the packing. I could check to see if it's the pump, the cylinder, but as you guys know, time is money, and I just purchased this whole thing ready to go. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to swap this out on the Graco Ultimate MX2 595 PC Pro. And if this doesn't fix it, this is definitely a prime valve issue, which I don't think it is. So here we go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug the paint sprayer and make sure the water and pressure is out of the pump. And we're gonna remove this guy. There we go. Okay, this guy comes off, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once you loosen this little Graco flap kind of flaps up here. You can unscrew this all the way. There you go. You see we've popped this up. We've loosened this nut. Loosen. And boom, this whole thing comes out just like that. And let's take a look. Boom, you can see it's out. There's the hose it connects to. Super simple replacement right there. All brand new, fully packed. Let's get back to work. Make it straight before you tighten it. Don't be like me. Okay, now I'm gonna wanna loosen this guy up. Okay, so now that we got the hose attached in the back here, this guy comes factory pushed in too far. So you have to take a small crescent wrench on the bottom part here and spin while you're pulling up to kind of get this guy up high enough. So there's this black seat up here. and boom, just pops in like that. Next thing we're gonna do is close this flap and then hand tight. Otherwise you won't be able to get this flap pushed down. And I like that, it's pretty tight. Okay, pop this little head gasket off here. There we go. Is to put our stinger back in. Hand tight. Tighten up. Put this little guy back on. There we go. Cross our fingers. Prime valve. Ooh, quickly, very quickly. Boom, fixed.